Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that there is a very good news for you all that from 1st of September your schools are reopening after a very long time. So I hope you all have got the information about your reopening of schools, and very soon we all are very eager to meet you all, and I also know that you all students are also very eager to meet your teachers. So children, as you all know that you have to just fill your consent letters also. So tell your parents to fill your consent letters. They have to go to school and then they have to fill the consent letters and they have to submit it in school. Now children, those who want to avail bus facility also, then you can you whenever you go to school for your consent letters, then you can fill the bus form also, so that we will be knowing that how many students will be availing bus facility. Okay, so this is the main information which I have to tell you, which I wanted to tell you all, and all this process should be completed before 1st of September, otherwise you will not be allowed to sit in class. Okay, now coming to today's topic. So as you all know that today is online EVS period. This is our EVS period, and from today we are going to start one new chapter again, that is chapter number 10, plant world. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about plants, parts of plants. We will be going to study how many types of plants are there, and then we will study in the last parts of plants. Okay, so first of all, what you all will do, you will take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book, that is book number 1 for class 1, and then turn to page number 33. As you can see here, page number 33 and chapter number 10, plant world. Is that clear? Now in this topic children, we are going to study about trees, shrubs, and then we will be studying about herbs, okay, and parts of plants. So I have divided this chapter into two parts. So today we are going to study about trees and shrubs only, and then after that we will be doing in this part 1 video, we will be studying about only this page, and then in part 2 video we will be doing our notebook exercise of new words. Okay, and then on Thursday you will be getting the video of the rest of the part, explanation of the rest of the part, and then we will do one book exercise also. Okay, so today's part 1 video is about the explanation of first part. Okay, so today we are going to study about chapter number 10, that is plant world. In this we are going to study how many types of trees, how many types of shrubs, and how many types of herbs are there. Okay, so please listen to it very carefully. I will be reading each and every word for you, so please concentrate on each and every word and each and every pronunciation, as please learn how I am pronouncing, and then when I will complete this topic, this page, after watching this video you will all read this chapter at home twice or thrice. Okay, so let's get started. We see different kinds of plants around us. आप जहाँ कहीं भी रहते हो, आपके आसपास, आपके चारों तरफ बहुत तरह के plants आपको दिखाई देते हैं. Many of you must be staying in big colonies also, where you must be having parks. Okay, उन parks में भी आपने अपने चारों तरफ different kinds of plants देखे होंगे. They are of different sizes. हर plant का size अलग होता है. Some plants are big while others are small. कुछ बहुत बड़े plants होते हैं, कुछ बहुत छोटे होते हैं, और कुछ medium size भी होते हैं. Okay, so there are different kinds of plants around us, and with different sizes. Each and every plant must have different size of its own. Okay, सब plants के अलग अलग size होते हैं, कोई भी एक ही size का plant नहीं होता. Now we are going to study about trees. Trees क्या हैं? Big and strong plants are called trees. जो बहुत बड़े और strong plants हैं, मजबूत plants होते हैं, उनको हम trees बोलते हैं. Is that clear? ट्रीज क्या है? बिग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड ट्रीज. एंड व्हाट आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ट्रीज? ट्रीज मतलब जो बहुत बड़े वाले पेड़ होते हैं, उनके कौन कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स हैं? banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree and coconut are the examples of trees. Okay, as you can see, this is banyan tree, or in Hindi you can say बरगद का पेड़. सबने बरगद का पेड़ देखा है? इट इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड जितना पुराना बरगद का पेड़ होता है उसकी रूट्स उतनी ही मजबूत और उसके जो ट्रंक होती है उतनी ही मजबूत होती है. ओके, then comes your mango tree, and first of all, see in this picture, you are in this picture, this is a leaf of a banyan tree. In this second picture you can see this is a picture of mango tree, then this is a picture of a neem tree, and this is a picture of a coconut tree, and this is its leaf. Okay, so how many examples are given here? What are the examples of trees? Banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree and coconut tree. Is that clear? So what are trees? Again I am repeating, big and strong plants are called trees. जो बहुत बड़े और strong plants हैं उनको हम trees बोलते हैं. Now moving towards the next part, that is shrubs. shrubs, shrubs. So what are shrubs, children? Some plants are small. They have hard and woody stems. They are called shrubs. Shrubs कौन से plants होते हैं? जो छोटे होते हैं, trees की तरह big नहीं होते. They are small plants and they have hard and woody stem. उनका जो stem होता है वो बहुत hard होता है और woody होता है. They are called shrubs. And what are the examples of shrubs? Rose, tulsi and henna. Henna in Hindi is known as mehendi, are called shrubs. So rose, tulsi and henna are examples of shrubs. और shrubs क्या थे? Shrubs are small plants which have hard and woody stems. इनकी जो stems होती है, as you can see in this picture, this is a rose plant, और ये जो उसकी stem है ये hard है, बिल्कुल छोटी नहीं है, पतली सी नहीं है. दे आर हार्ड एंड दे हैव वुडी स्टेम. वुड की होती है स्टेम्स, मतलब इनकी स्टेम्स जो है बहुत हार्ड और वुडी होती है. और ये कौन कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स हैं हमारे पास? रोज प्लांट, तुलसी प्लांट एंड हेना प्लांट. सो दिस इज ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे, एंड दैट इज ऑल चिल्ड्रन. वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट ट्रीज टुडे. दैट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड बिग प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड ट्रीज. एग्जाम्पल्स आर banyan tree, mango, neem and coconut tree. And then we have studied about shrubs. What are shrubs? They are small plants which have hard and woody stems, and the examples are rose, tulsi and henna. So these are examples of shrubs. So by this, children, I hope you all have understood the first part of this chapter. Today we are going to understand only this chapter. Okay, and then after this, this is our first part video which has been completed. Now please switch on to my part 2 video, in which we are going to do our new words related to this chapter. Is that clear to you all? And please watch this video very nicely and listen to each and every pronunciation very carefully. And after watching this video, first of all read the chapter, read this first page, that is page number 33, and then read it twice or thrice at home, and then only switch on to part 2 video. So children, now you can switch on to part 2 video to watch the new words.